honest review, right? So flying this drone inside is awesome. After now flying it quite a bit more, I do love this drone. Rip and dips have never looked so good. Its big downfall is flight time and weight. So I'm flying with the Beta FPV 300 2S batteries because that's what fits inside there. I haven't really wanted to mess with that too much. I actually do like the stiffness of this frame. But if you know a battery that you love with this, let me know. I was going to take this apart and build a discus, which I'm still going to do. I'm going to use the parts to build an 03 discus, but then I'm going to redesign this whole canopy, like take it apart, make it naked, and it'll be a lot lighter. I'm going to push the camera forward in the design so that we don't have any props, and I'm not worried so much about the camera because I'm going to use this more as like a rip and dip, kind of like indoor videography kind of drone. I'm not going to really be flying it outside. Outside, it's not enjoyable. It gets blown. Okay, we're going to do a maiden just before work. It is really windy out here. I picked a safe place. We got a little building, so we got to see if it, but does it dive? Yeah, we're going to just be gentle because I'm afraid the wind is going to take my drone away. Like it is like a cine rig. If you're flying outside and you just go like this and you don't do flips and stuff, then it's fine, but that's not what I like to do. I like to go fly and be aggressive and have fun, and I feel like this shines in indoor flights. You use it in indoor flights and it's pretty steady and smooth and very enjoyable. It's not as enjoyable outside. After we do the modification and make it a lot lighter, then we'll be kind of retesting that, but I'm hoping that I can get at least like 2-3 minutes of flight time instead of just one, because every time I fly this I'm a little bit scared as the voltage goes down that it might not come back, and I don't want to lose this O3 air unit. So subscribe and check out my live feeds, because in the live feed you're going to see how I take it apart and start modifying it to make it better. I'll also do a video on how to make your O3 air unit naked.